I'm Larita Shaw. I'm a self-taught senior data engineer with over 13 years of experience within the space of data analytics. I've led multi-million dollar global data initiatives. I've built pipelines. I've built dashboards. I've supported teams. I've built processes, documentation, data governance, failures, successes. I've done it all. And I created Data Analytics Simplified because there's too much focus on theory as opposed to real world application within the space of data. Inside Data Analytics Simplified, all of my tracks are taught by experts within the space of data. Collectively, we have around 30 years of experience with all of our experience combined, and we all have been able to successfully navigate and retain these careers within the space of data without that traditional data science, computer science background. So I think that that gap is very important for those that have the goal of trying to transition into the space because you get that real time support, you get the individualized transition plan, and you get the ability to be able to have those questions answered by people who are active practitioners within the space and who we've been here to be able to sustain careers within the space. And I think that that's game changing. So we just don't teach tools. Like we just don't focus on the tools. We focus on thought process, how to apply those tools, how to explain those concepts. And you're supported. You're supported by people who have been within the space for multiple seasons, multiple years. We've seen a lot. And it's practical in a way that makes sense. So I'm going to spend the next few videos introducing you to my team as we enter the year of 2026. And I look forward to supporting you along your journey. Bye, y'all.
Hi, I'm Sade. I've used Excel for many years, both in my practical and everyday life, and now I'm excited to teach you what I've learned. My Excel workshop is focused on building a strong foundation, from basic navigation to essential functions to skills and learning the language that you will use to execute workplace data tasks. Here, you will learn the building blocks for other data tools such as SQL, Power BI, and other data platforms, helping you to build a more advanced analytical background with confidence. This workshop is all about learning practical, approachable ways to use Excel. Let's dive in and start your Excel portfolio.
Hi, my name is Paige A. Nelson. I am the Power BI instructor for Data Analytics Simplified. I've been in the analytic field for over 10 years now, and I have mastered the art of data visualization and business intelligence. So I enjoy teaching all of my cool tips and tricks to other students who are interested in growing their career in data and just learning how to build their confidence inside of these really complex tools. I have not had the pleasure of meeting you yet. I look forward to it. I enjoy working with Larita and her team. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.